Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you all are doing well. Well, today I am here with a very simple and easy painting of red roses. I personally think that anybody can try this and anybody can paint this red rose, or you can paint better than this maybe, just by following these simple steps which I am gonna tell you. So stay tuned and keep watching. First of all, apply gesso on your canvas because this will help you to paint acrylic on all over the canvas. Then make a simple sketch of red rose on any size of canvas, whatever you have available. Next step is color blending. I just took two colors, crimson and deep purple, to make darker red. Then I start painting, and I prefer to paint the outer side of each petal first. And first I paint the outer side, and then I paint the inner side, because in the inner side of each petal we need to use darker shades like gray or mixture of red and gray. As you can see, I am just painting in the flow, and I am just keep painting the sides and corners of each petal. You also need to do in the same way, and once you finish the corners, then we will come in the inner side of each petal, then we will shade that area. You can also expand your painting on the sides of your canvas. This will give you a more professional look. Personally, I always paint the corners of the canvas because this will give us a more professional look. This time my canvas is more rectangular rather than square. So that is why I painted two petals on the upper side and on the lower side of the canvas, and other two sides I cover up with the border shade, like I used dark green. So you will come to know in the video, at the end of the video. Time to shade the inner side of petal because we need to shade it darker. So I personally used gray, not completely black. You can mix a little bit of white and black if you don't have gray. So I do have gray, so I used gray. I just paint the inner side of each petal and keep blending it, right? Like keep moving your brush on the upper side to give it a nice blend. This is an extremely simple painting for beginners and those who haven't tried painting yet. So I must say you all should try this, and we all should have some hobby. We all should take out some time for our own interest. Do whatever you love, do what makes you happy. Guys, I personally experienced that painting gives you positive energy. This is a nice hobby and I like it personally. You might have some different hobbies, but I believe everybody must have some hobbies, because when you put your energy in something, the end result makes you happy. You like it, people like it. Just forget about people. If you like it, if anything makes you happy, if anything's turned on your mind, if anything's turned on your mood, so just keep doing it. As long as your hobby doesn't hurt anybody, there is no harm in living your dream. As you can see, I have shaded the darker side of the petal. Now the next step is I will blend both of these, because this time right now this is giving a black line, two separate, gives a look of two separate colors, like black line is separate, red is separate. This is not what we want. We need to blend it very gently. Can see I'm highlighting again the outer side of petal to make it more highlighted, because at that time black and dark red was not complementing each other very well. So that is why I used a lighter shade of red to give some highlights. This will also gives your painting a nice finished look. So I decided to use the green color because this will give the best combination of green and red. This will help to make the flower more prominent. Then next I decided to paint dewdrop or you can say water drops on the petals of the rose. So I'm making the outer side with the liner brush with black color, and then I will fill it with red, and then I give a very light shade of white. So keep watching. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give it a try and do let me know. And please suggest me what should I paint next. And if you like my video, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and do let me know in comment if you like this video, and do share this with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.